we deliver the registration at Notre Dame de Lourdes Hospital - one of the private hospital that is nearby from University of Baguio and in front of St. Louis School, Inc. Center. We drop by at SM for lunch break. Since it's already 12 in the afternoon, there are so many food establishments that you can choose to dine in, and we decided to have our lunch at Pepper Lunch, a Japanese fast steak restaurant chain, and known for their unique ware. Customers cook their own meals in super hot iron plates, creating sizzling rice, steak, and pasta dishes right after their table.
Pepper Lunch was founded in 1994 by Cuneo Ichinese. And Pepper SM Baguio is situated at EX076 LGF. SM City Baguio Luneta Hill Dr. 231 Upper Session Road area. A rule of pay as you order, and it takes about 5 to 10 minutes foods to be served. Prices depend on the ability of a customer. Beef teriyaki - one of their best sellers is worth 365 in Philippine peso. Iced tea and Pepsi are at the same price of 55 in Philippine peso.
Pinapanood ko kasi yun. Ay. Where are you today? Pepper lunch. We have Pepsi and iced tea. Katingnan ko na lang din. 240 sa kanito. Ang dami? Ang dami. Ng kanin. Ay, kanin. Maubos yan. Wala tayo pasok sa Monday, kaya babago yan. Part 2. Let's eat. Kailangan mong i-grill. Ang unti nung ano. Ay, hindi na bibidyo. Ay, ang sarap ng ano. Kain. Kain tayo, guys. Lasa. Lasa dito. May ano siya. Sesame. Kailangan nito kasi hindi masyadong maalat.
Malinis. Sarap ba?
Oh, sakto lang naman yung lahat sa akin. Saka, okay lang yun, hindi masyado maalat. Para sa mga...
Health conscious. Health conscious. Let's go.
After all the activities at Small, we are here at the Wash Hub for car wash maintenance. See prices on TARP. Next is Pure Gold, where we usually buy grocery items next to SM Supermarket.
Hindi makita.
Nakikita ba yung Pure Gold? Nasa front of Quezon Hotel. Pure Gold.